Merlin Power have always known the most efficient way of charging your batteries is by using our SmartBank Pro battery combiner. Complemented by our PowerGuard Pro, flat battery protection, battery isolator all in one. No longer can you come on a Monday morning and find your batteries flat. We've all been there. But how do you make the best better? Merlin Power's brand new PowerBank Lite. The first product to feature Merlin's new branding, the PowerBank Lite combines flat battery protection, split charging and battery isolation, all in the one unit. With detachable cable looms, only one CPU to fit instead of multiple, installation has never been easier. Completely configurable, either by us before it leaves the factory or in the field, the PowerBank Lite will take care of all your battery management requirements, whether it's blue light, amber light, leisure or marine. And as always, it comes with our 5-year warranty. Additionally, the PowerBank Lite costs less than having to buy a separate split charger, isolation and protection device. Feedback from customers already fitting this have told us they've taken up to 1 hour less per vehicle installation. So not only are you saving money on the hardware, the installation costs are reducing as well. Imagine the savings you can make on a vehicle fleet of 10, 20, 30. Not only are you getting the best product, you're also saving money. What's not to like? In the box you'll find everything you need to make installation as easy as possible. You've got the CPU, you've got the detachable loom cables, you've got all the control switches, you've got the programming software and programming cables, market leading all bright relays, and of course a user installation manual, so you're good to go. And as always, the Merlin technical team is always on hand to help you if you need. If you would like any more information on our PowerBank Lite, or indeed any of our products that we can supply, please do get in touch. Ask for myself, Lee Harris, or any of the other technical sales team. And as always, thank you for watching.